Hey guys, I'm Gabriel. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on how to eliminate back pain. I used to have a lot of lower back pain. It's very debilitating. Trouble bending over. I would walk for a little while and have to sit down. So I've completely alleviated that problem through the following set of exercises. This is something simple and practical that everyone can do in the comfort of your own home. Just 12 to 15 minutes a day, and you're going to feel a lot better in a short period of time. What's important, these exercises are sequential and increasing order of difficulty. So just do what's comfortable for you. Never do anything that brings you added pain or too much discomfort. All right. So lay down on your mat. Start with a few simple stretches. Legs down. Bring one knee up. Hold it, hug it. Take a deep breath. And just pull it in like this. And hold. Release. Do the other side. Bring this knee up. Hold and hug it. Deep breath. Pull it in. And release. Now we're going to have one leg up. Cross this leg over. Lift, reach behind the leg like this, and you're going to pull your head up. After a deep breath, you're going to pull your leg to your head like this. And release. Switch legs. Reach behind, deep breath. Pull. And release. Sit up. Feet together, legs, knees together. You're going to reach beneath the balls of your feet like this. And after a deep breath, you're going to put your head down between your knees and push your feet forward while holding them like you're pushing the accelerator of a car, and hold it. So deep breath. Come up. Take a couple breaths. I'm going to do it one more time. Deep breath, and then breathe normally. Come down. And release. All right, shake your legs out a little bit. Now you're going to come up like this, on your knees, sitting on your heels, feet together. We're going to slowly, with our hands turned around like that, we're going to walk our hands back. This is a great stretch for the lower back, but just do what's comfortable for you. Everyone's going to be able to do something a little bit different. You're going to really feel that stretch, and when you get back as far as you can, I want you to tilt your head back and hold it like this. Deep breath, going back. Release and hold. Come up. Take breath in and out. And do it again. Your hands back. breath. Tilt your head back and release. Come up. Now, for this next set, we're going to lie flat on our stomach like this. Put your hands out a little bit, head up. After you take a deep breath, you're just going to push, extend your arms, head up, chest off like this, and release. Deep breath. Push. Come down, deep breath. Push up. Come down. Again. Come down. Deep breath. Come down. Once more. Deep breath. Push. And come down all the way. Now, I want you to reach back like this. Try and grab your feet. Holding your feet on the outside like that. In a moment, we're going to take a deep breath. You're going to lift your chest and head off the floor. At the same time, you're going to lift your legs off the floor and push your feet back as much as you can and hold it. Ready? Deep breath. Lift. And release. And do it again. Deep breath. And push. And release. Now you're going to switch your hands from this side of your feet, around like that to the other side, holding them. We're going to do it again. Deep breath. Lift up. And release. Once more. Deep breath. Lift up. And release. Shake them out a little bit. Come all the way up. Sit down like this. These last two positions are advanced yoga poses. Just do what's comfortable for you. If you're feeling pain or too much discomfort, just stop right there. Only go as far as you can. We're going to get as much as you can into the plow pose. So lay on your back. Hands down like this. You're going to rock a little bit and pop up like this. Put your hands here to support your back. Try to balance the legs extended. And bend your knees. Slowly drop them down to your forehead like that. Feel a really nice stretch coming here in the back. Now, if you're not having discomfort, just let your legs drop back like that to the feet touching the floor with your knees still bent. If you're still alright and flexible, this might take some practice. Extend your legs all the way like that and hold it. Bend your knees, come up a little bit. That, take a few breaths. Do it again, as much as you can do. Come up. Slowly roll back down like this. One vertebra at a time. Now lastly, we're going to go into the wheel pose. This is a difficult pose. If you can't get all the way up in the wheel, you can just do bridge. Bridges like this. Lift up a little bit. Put your hands together underneath like that and just push up. Try to get your shoulders off the mat a little bit. Push with your heels as much as you can and hold it. I'm going to do the wheel. Better without the mat. So, legs like this. Hands go back. Like this on either side of the back of the head. Deep breath. Push all the way up like this. Come down. Do it again, a few breaths. Deep breath. Push up. And release. All the way down. Relax, stretch, take a few deep breaths, you deserve it. And slowly sit up. That's it. Just a nice 10 to 15 minute routine of these daily exercises is going to fix your lower back pain. It's excellent for flexibility in the spine. You deserve it. You're an amazing human being. None of us deserve to live with pain. Do what you can to treat yourself naturally. Thanks for watching. I'm Gabriel. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you later, guys.